We bought this GENERAC Guardian 22 kilowatt whole home generator through Doug Tubertini at Lowe's, and they used Mississippi Solar to come out and install the generator. We have a 3-inch Quick Creek gravel pad dug into the soil there and poured, certainly level, and then we poured 4 inches of Quick Creek colored concrete. Kim wanted to color it brown. It turned out great on top of the gravel. And then GENERAC brings in a 3-inch gen pad they put on top of that, and the generator goes on top of the gen pad. So it's perfectly level, really solid, and the generator is powered with natural gas there. And there's the full run of the natural gas from our meter. And electricity going to and from the generator runs along the wall to transfer switch, the sub panel, and our primary panel. And then I got 2 of these soft switches from GENERAC that allow us to start the air conditioning condensing units when the power is off, just 2 at a time. This is the far away look of everything. So it turned out great. I couldn't be happier with Lowe's and Mississippi Solar and GENERAC. We're very proud of our generator, and certainly am appreciating the use of it, even though we hadn't had to just yet. But anyway, that's it.